no arrangement, is there?
No way!
No, there is.
Even!
Not that you'll benefit much from it.
Not even away!
I always win, Jack.
And you might not think this model has benefit to you, because I looked into having no numerical interactions. That can happen. It's random. You might end up with a model simple and easy, which I feel a little bit guilty, but hey, this will be quick and easy. Although I'm going to need my hat equations, and that is not going to be quick and easy. The good news is the power of the pause button. The variables I don't have, like firepower, doesn't need a hat, and I don't need a bomb squared hat because I already did bombs hat, and I already did terrorism hat, and I already did temperature hat. So here's all the hats I need. I just gave them values of 0 right now because I didn't know what else to do. Stock. I mean, like, bombs can't. Oh, it looks improper. It's bombs hat. Please be aware it is definitely bombs hat, nothing else. The value of 0 might not be proper. I'm going to fill that in a second. I got to remember what I called him. I called it terror low hat, not terrorism low hat, which you can call it whatever you want as long as you're consistent here. I'd also like to point out it is definitely spies hat as the word. Okay, even though zeros are a terrible choice here, I just want to make sure that I haven't misspelled. I sure did. 2 places, in fact. Okay, there we go. Now, I'm worried that I filled in a number wrong because I was just looking at my output. So I'm going to put in my first row of data and see if I get the prediction 4687 or something close to it, which I should. I mean, I might be off by 112, but it should be at least that close. So I put in the values for my first row of data here. You'll notice my terrorism level was medium, so I turned medium on. And I have not run this. I'm really hoping that I get a good answer. It's supposed to be 4687. I got 4754, which off by 67. That's 0.6 standard deviations away. Fantastic. If you are 1 standard deviation away, fine. If you're 2 standard deviations away, okay, that happens. 3 standard deviations away, wow, you're one of those really unlucky once-a-year students. If you're 5 standard deviations away, something's wrong. Usually, if you've messed up your hats, it means you're like 12 standard deviations off, and then you know. But it looks like I'm okay. So now I'm going to start making some of my plots. I'm going to copy and paste this because I don't want to lose it because I'll need that first row prediction. I want to do bombs, so bombs is going to need a sequence. I don't remember what the bombs distribution was. It looks like 0 to 8,000. I'm glad I looked it up. I wouldn't have guessed. And I'm expecting to get something quadratic like that. Please get it right the first time. Oh, yay, that looks nice. Why is it shifted high? Because of all the other values. If I tweak these guys, I can shift the line up and down, but I don't know if I care. In fact, I could just plot the line itself. Which one looks better between these two? I actually kind of like it being on top of the data. I'll keep that one. Okay, now I'm going to save that so I don't lose it. Copy and paste so that I can do the next one, which is napalm. That's cubic. I want to take the sequence off bomb, put it on napalm, and then change what I'm plotting instead of bombs to be napalm. Oh no, my hubris. I was just sure it would work the first time. Error, enemy not found in the dataset? Alright, capitalized enemy, you got me this time. How do the lines look on top? That's not bad. Does it look better on its own? So this graph or the other graph, you know what, I'm going to pick this one this time. So instead of doing it that way, I'll do it this way. Partly just to be different from before, partly because I like how it emphasizes this curvature in there. The last tricky one is temperature, which interacts with terrorism. Temperature ranges from negative 150 to 200 degrees because apparently this country is insane. And I'm going to start with the baseline, which is terror level high for red. Oh, I forgot to make this lines. Okay, there we go for, that's high. Copy and paste for medium, and I want to change red to be, I don't know, we'll try green. Oh, I redid the plot. Oh, no, you're only supposed to do that the first time. Hang on. Okay, there's high, medium, and change this to be low, turn off medium. There's enemy hat, changed it to a blue line. Okay, and there it is with the data. Here it is without the data, except I don't like how it's cut off the blue line, so I need to change my y-axis. Okay, so do I like it better this way or on top of the data. Okay, why do these lines not seem to line up with the data? The answer is because the other variables which have collinearity in them, right? Napalm and, I mean, all the others. So the fact that it doesn't line up seems to me more distracting. I think I'm going to stick with this plot. So there's the hard part, doing the plots. I think I am ready to move on to the report after I put in a legend. There, now I'm ready.